If you're worried about rising prices, job security, or just want to stop relying on one paycheck, you're in the right place. In 2025, the side hustle game is absolutely changing. If you're not paying attention, you might miss out on these profitable opportunities. But actual real ways to make money, even when you're busy, even if you have a 9 to 5, and even if you're starting from scratch. So let's get into it. Hi everyone, welcome or welcome back to the channel. I'm Belle. If you're new here and you haven't already, be sure to subscribe to the channel below. Don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up for me, and also turn on your post notifications so you don't miss any time I upload. So let's get into it. The number one side hustle we're going to start off today with: digital products and AI automation. AI isn't taking all of the jobs. It's creating new opportunities. One of the best ways to make passive income in 2025 and beyond is selling digital products. Examples of some of the profitable digital products are Notion templates, budget planners, resume guides, AI generated ebooks and workbooks, Canva templates for content creators, and so much more. It's actually endless. You can create any type of digital product that your heart desires. If you're someone who solved an issue for yourself, very well, there's people out there looking for those same solutions. So if you can create a digital product and package it well and then market it, you can make some serious passive income with that. And the absolute best part about creating a digital product is that you just need to do it one time. It's not something that you constantly need to do all the time, so you don't have to worry about ever having to do it ever again, which is why a lot of people like it. So once you create it, it sells over and over and over again. Tools like ChatGPT and Canva make it easier than ever before to create digital products. You literally have no excuse. None. You're probably like, Belle, okay, fine. Where do I sell those? You can sell them on Etsy. You can host them on your own platforms such as Shopify. A lot of folks on TikTok who have digital products, they use their Stand store. They sell them on there. They also sell them on Gumroad. And there's so many other places and so many other places to come in the future. So when it comes to where do I host my digital product, that is not an issue at all. You will find a place. Very quick tip, right? Instead of guessing what to sell, what I highly recommend that you do is use both Etsy and Google Trends to see what is already selling. Or like I said earlier, if you're someone who already solved a problem for yourself and now you have the solution, you can package that up in a digital product and then sell it to other people who possibly may have the same issues. So side hustle number 2, one of my favorites, high ticket affiliate marketing. Forget about low paying Amazon links. 2025 and beyond is all about high ticket affiliate marketing. This means promoting products that will pay you $100 to $500 per sale instead of pennies. No offense to Amazon. I know it's very beginner friendly. So if you're someone who's beginning and all you know is Amazon, do not do it, because even if you're an advanced creator, you still use Amazon. So if you're a beginner, Amazon is really good for beginners, but as you get deeper into affiliate marketing, you'll learn that there's plenty more out there that you can promote and make more money. Some examples of high ticket niches are online courses and coaching programs, tech and SaaS tools, think AI software, website builders, finance and investment programs. When I was heavily into blogging, there was a blogger who created a course on how to make money with affiliate links. She paid, I think, between $75 to $125 per sell on that course, and you probably can imagine that was a decent price course. So I highly recommend that you look into online courses, coaching programs, tech and SaaS tools, finance and investment programs, because they oftentimes have high ticket affiliate marketing where you can make between $100 to $500 per sale. It was very lucrative for me. I've made a ton of sales while promoting her course, and it was a good course. Like, I took the course myself, and a lot of other bloggers did too and found success in it. So where to start, right? You can partner with brands on PartnerStack or Impact.com. There are so many places. You can also just join your favorite blogger or YouTuber could possibly have an online course, and they may have an affiliate program that you could, join and then rep that course. So find your niche affiliate programs and softwares and business tools. Pro tip, right? Instead of spamming links, create helpful content like a review tutorial or comparison video so people come to you. Because people are always looking. So if you put out helpful content out there, you never have to worry about making it sell. I'm telling you. You put out some helpful content sharing how this course helped you or how this program assists you with building X, Y, and Z. You never have to sell. Like it literally sells itself. So definitely don't just think about, oh yeah, I'm making money, but think about being helpful and sharing helpful content to folks. This one's extremely popular and you've probably seen it non-stop. So side hustle number 3 is faceless YouTube automation channels. You do not need to show your face on YouTube to make money anymore. You can create a faceless YouTube channel and blow up in 2025 and beyond. They're probably one of the best semi-passive side hustles that you can do right now, literally. And if you want to learn more how to create a faceless YouTube channel, let me know down below. So some examples of a profitable YouTube niche would be finance explaining videos. Folks love those videos. They're very profitable because obviously it's finance, right? AI and tech tutorials, motivational or audiobook summaries. Folks absolutely love those. Me in particular, I go on YouTube all the time to find audiobooks summaries because I want to know what is said in that book. I don't have time to read the whole thing or listen to the whole thing. I just need a summary of what the book was talking about, what is major pieces and caveats. So yes, those are some of the profitable niches for faceless YouTube videos. So how would you create a faceless YouTube video? So step 1 will be use ChatGPT for the script. Free. Step 2, use an AI tool like Pictory or InVideo for the visuals. Also free. And step 3, upload and monetize. We talked about monetizing through affiliate links so you can look for other courses or other programs, online courses that's in the niche that you choose to create your faceless YouTube channel in and promote those in the comments. Bonus tips. Once you hit the YouTube AdSense eligibility, in addition to adding your affiliate links, you can start adding ads onto your channel, which is a great way to make extra revenue. And as you grow that brand and that channel, you can possibly link up with other brands and get sponsorships for extra income. Faceless YouTube channel aren't going anywhere. They've been here forever, but now more than ever before, it's so easy to create one. So highly recommend you look into it if that's something of your interest. So side hustle number 4, right? A lot of these side hustles we talked about are online based and stuff in the digital world. But side hustle number 4 is one of my favorite ones because it's often overlooked. Local service based business. Super digital world we live in, people often forget that local businesses still and will continue to make bank. It's one of the easiest side hustles you can start. Some examples of super low cost local side hustles are home organization and decluttering. Whether it's cleaning someone's home, decluttering someone's home, organizing their pantry, etc., etc., etc. You can advertise yourself on Thumbtack and various past related websites to let folks know that you are in the market to do certain jobs. You can be an Airbnb co-host. There's plenty of people who have Airbnbs who don't have the capacity or enough time to manage all those Airbnb themselves. So they look for property managers to assist them with doing that. So you can manage rentals and you don't need to own property yourself to do that. Mobile car detailing or pressure washing. I know you have seen these videos online because they're addictive, where you see folks are pressure washing a driveway or detailing an extremely dirty car. That local side business, that local service-based business is booming. Okay, if you have the capacity and the love to just get those kind of jobs done, you will be booked, busy, and paid pretty well because folks' cars need some TLC. I myself am looking into those services right now because I could use a car detailing, having young kids, and snacks in the back seats. So side hustle number 5 is AI consulting for small businesses. Small businesses know AI is the future. They know that, they understand that, but most of them have no idea how to use it, you know? And that's where someone like yourself come in. If you are an AI enthusiast, you know every single model that just came out, from Claude to Gemini, ChatGPT, DeepSeek, this, that, Alibaba AI, all of it, right? If you know all of the ones that are coming out or soon to come out, and you understand them and you know how to properly use them, this is where you come in. This is your time to shine, because small businesses right now are struggling. Because imagine, as a business owner, you do not have the capacity or time to learn every single aspect of your business. Hence why people outsource and hire folks. So if you're someone who is really good at all things AI, you can assist these small businesses with setting themselves up by helping them automate business tasks such as emails, chat bots, social media. That one's really important. Folks didn't realize how important social media is. You can also teach them various tools such as ChatGPT, Midjourney, or automation software that will assist them with helping the customer journey. You can offer simple services like an AI-powered content creation. There's so many ways to skin a cat nowadays that we almost have no excuses. You know what I'm saying? So if you're looking to get client, you can start by offering mini sessions on LinkedIn or Facebook business groups, and then go from there. So before you know it, word of mouth will have you booked, busy, and paid. Because let me tell you, small businesses are in dire need of folks' assistance when it comes to AI, because it is not going anywhere. It's just continue to explode rapidly at that. So we definitely could use folks like yourself who knows what to do. There you have it, y'all. So 5 of the best side hustles you can start right now in 2025 and beyond. The best part about these side hustles is that they're evergreen. You know AI is here to stay, and you know local service businesses are always going to need some kind of assistance. If you found this helpful, hit the like button, subscribe, and turn on the post notifications so you don't miss when I share more money making strategies. Until next time, appreciate you staying this long with me, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye.